Hi there, it's Liz from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I have a very quick project for you, just in time for Valentine's Day, I hope. In the UK we tend to limit the number of Valentines we send to, well, certainly in our family it's just our loved one. I know in other countries Valentines get sent to pretty much anyone and everyone. However, this is one for just a couple of people maybe. I'm using the Memories and More Sweet Soiree card pack, which is one of the Celebration items. It's gorgeous, I have to say. I've taken it out of its wrapper. It just comes in a shrink plastic wrapper, so it doesn't come in the usual box. But then it's free, so you know. So I've just popped it in a stamp case, and it fits really nicely in the stamp case. To the extent that I think I might actually put my other Memories and More cards in stamp cases rather than the boxes, because then I can see it, and I think that makes it easier to use. So it's the usual setup that there are some 3x4 cards and some 6x4 cards. So you can use them for scrapbooking, you can use them for pocket pages, or you can do the and more bit, which is obviously what I'm looking at today, which is a card. And I've used one of the 6x4 cards as the background. Then this card in the middle is a card. And this I've just punched out from one of the other cards. All I've done is mount it up on a rich raspberry card base and a Calypso Coral mat, added some enamel shapes, and it's done. I obviously put a liner in because trying to write on rich raspberry is a challenge. It's not impossible because you can use the chalk marker, but yeah, so it's really quick and really easy. And I thought I'd share it with you because I think it's just really fun. I'm going to change up a little bit, but only a little bit. I'm using rich raspberry again because I love it. It's a colour that I've been ignoring, and I'm back not ignoring it. I think it's gorgeous, and I'm really pleased that they're using it in the Cake Soiree papers, because it means that I will actually, sorry, Sweet Soiree papers, because it means I might actually use it a bit more. They also use the Marina Mist. So rather than Calypso Coral, for this one I'm going to use Marina Mist. And then I'll show you how quickly I can put it together. So all the measurements, as ever, will be on the associated blog post, which is linked in the description bar below. Do remember that if you don't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, why not? Please do, and then you'll get to see when I have posted a new video. You can also sign up for alerts as well as just being a subscriber. You can then ask for alerts as well, so you actually get a literal alert to tell you that I've posted. However, right, liner. So just some fast fuse for this. I don't like to use a bit of ribbon, I think. I don't like to use the Tombow adhesive when I'm using the Smooth Whisper White or Very Vanilla, because it can leave it feeling a little uneven through the card, which is not a good look, and it makes writing interesting. So this is one of the 6x4 Memories and More cards. I've just cut it down. As I say, all the dimensions will be below. So that's just going to pop on the front. There are quite a few what I would call solid colours, solid patterns to choose from. So, you know, you don't have to limit yourself. But I thought I would choose the same pattern and the same layout for both cards, because then you can see what the difference is when you change up the colour. So this is just a heart on the other side of one of these 3x4 cards. Happiness is right here. it is. Happiness is right here. I'm going to cover it up, but it is right here. Now, obviously, you don't need to put the extra mat on, but you know, you could use a Marina Mist card base. But I just like to have lots of layers because I can. Right, so the sentiment is the back of another card. I've actually just cut this down. In fact, I think it was this one I cut down. So I've just cut this down because I'm going to use the label punch, and it fits beautifully, this little sentiment, into the label punch. And then you've got the rest of the card to do with whatever you fancy. So this I'm just going to stick onto my card with the edge of some dimensionals. And then it's nearly finished. So do remember, every £45 you spend, you get to choose free stuff. And don't overlook this, because it is the prettiest set. There you are, I love you. And I would really love you if you decided to shop with me. These are the enamel shapes, Marina Mist enamel shapes, just tying into the colour of the mat that I've used, and we've got hearts, so I'm going to spread them round. And I like odd numbers, so I'm going to put 3 on, like I did on the original. So yes, I love my customers, and I would love to welcome you as one. So if you're in the UK, please, 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 it would be lovely if you decided to shop with me. Also, if you've got a really large order, then why not think about joining up? It would be great to welcome you to my team as well. I've had a real flurry of people joining my team since the beginning of the year, all taking advantage of the 2 free stamp sets that they get in addition to the £130 of product in their starter kit. And remember, it's £99 delivered straight to your door, and you could get £200 worth of stuff. So if your shopping list is small, then that would be lovely if you decided to shop with me, and make sure you round up to your nearest £45, because then you can get free stuff. And if you use the hostess code, then you will get more free stuff, because then I will share the rewards from the hostess code with everyone who shops with me in any given month. Everyone always gets a thank you card and little gift, regardless of how large or small the order, and then if you use the hostess code, you get to share in some free product as well. So that has to be one of my quickest videos, 8.5 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed it. As I say, quick, easy little Valentine's project. So why not give it a go? Use your memories and more cards. Don't just think about them for scrapbooking and memory keeping. Get them on your cards as well. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember, the subscription button is down in the bottom right hand corner. If you would like the dimensions, the link is immediately below. There's a link to my online store and all my social media. There's a combined link that is below the link to my online store. So do have a look at all that good stuff. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye!